Well, it wasn't just the administrative bodies and regions that got divided in the aftermath of Andhra Pradesh's bifurcation. After dividing the police force, the trained sniffer dogs were divided between the two states. Apart from making the sniffer and the tracker dogs stationed in each region to stay put, the intelligence security wing dogs were also distributed.
Much of the debate in the standoff between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh has centered around the division of assets and liabilities, the division of government employees. But did you ever imagine that these sniffer dogs belonging to the VIP security and intelligence department will also have to be divided between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? This 2-year-old German Shepherd is going to the Andhra Pradesh cadre, just like another 2-year-old German Shepherd is going to the Telangana cadre.
The debate over the standoff between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh has been over the division of assets and liabilities, the division of government employees and government infrastructure. But did you ever think that these sniffer dogs in charge of VIP security would also be divided between the two states? This German Shepherd will be going to Andhra Pradesh. Another 2-year-old German Shepherd would go to Telangana. This Cocker Spaniel, Princey, is showing off his obedient side, literally. For when the orders came that the 4-year-old will now be part of the Telangana police cadre, he fell in line. The division was done on the basis of the origins of each dog's handler. In Princey's case, his handler Sayulu hails from Telangana.
We have 13 dogs. Out of 13 dogs, we decided 6 dogs goes to Telangana state, remaining 7 dogs goes to Andhra Pradesh. These Telangana 6 dogs, handlers and dogs, both are belongs to Telangana state only. Remaining 7 dogs, Andhra handlers and Andhra dogs.
These dogs are responsible for VIP security and are often used to sanitize an area before VIP visits. The division of dog park has meant that each dog must now do multiple shifts. It's a hectic job with few days off, giving new meaning to the phrase, "It's a dog's life." In Hyderabad with TS Sudhir, PR Fitter for Headlines Today.